Welcome, amazing ladies and gorgeous women, to my new video. Today we are going on an exciting journey into the world of short hairstyles. If you have been searching for amazing ideas to rock a pixie cut or style your short hairs flawlessly, you have come to the right place. Let me be your trusted guide as we navigate through this process, helping you achieve a mesmerizing and attention-grabbing look. Ladies, we all know how important our hair is in defining our unique style and boosting our confidence. That's why I have carefully put together a collection of enchanting styling tips and ideas that will completely captivate you. With these new techniques, you will get the transformation of your hair, empowering you with a strong sense of beauty and grace. Imagine this, ladies, the enchantment of whitish, grayish, and blackish colors. These shades have an irresistible allure, elevating your hair to levels of elegance that are unmatched. From subtle highlights that whisper sophistication to bold undertones that command attention. We will explore how these colors can infuse your short locks with depth and dimension. Get ready to be spellbound as you witness the breathtaking transformation unfolding before your eyes. I apologize for any background noise you may hear. Please bear with me, and I promise it would not take away from your enjoyment of this video. And now let's dive into the heart of the matter. I have created a lovely array of short hair styling ideas exclusively for you. These hairstyles are not just trendy, they also carry a powerful impact. They are tailor-made to cater to your hair's deepest desires. Whether you are leaning towards a chick bob, a pixie cut, or any other fabulous short haircut, brace yourself for an unparalleled journey through the kingdom of style and self-expression. Let's take a moment to appreciate the remarkable charm of grayish color, whitish color, blackish and brownish colors. Can you imagine the luxury that these shades will bring to your hair? The blend of black and white exudes timeless appeal, intertwining sophistication and charm. Prepare to be dunked in the best of the best hairstyling ideas, carefully created for your exclusive satisfaction. To offer you a glimpse of the wonders that awaits, I have handpicked a collection of stunning visuals featuring women enhanced with various short hairstyles from modern to elegant. You'll find the perfect inspiration to channel your unique style. So brace yourself, unleash your inner fashionista, and let your short hair claim its rightful place in the spotlight, no matter where your journey takes you. We want to apologize for any background noise and the occasional language barrier. Our main goal is to provide you with an entertaining and visually appealing fashion video. Your support and feedback are greatly appreciated. As we approach the conclusion of this captivating video, I want to express my heartfelt gratitude to each and every one of you for your unwavering support. Your presence inspires me to continue creating content that uplifts and empowers. Always remember you are beautiful, and with the perfect hairstyle, you possess the power to conquer the world. So go ahead, embrace those stunning short hairstyles with confidence and radiate your inner beauty. And don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Also don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching this video, ladies and gentlemen. See you soon.